Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the automation in hematology, process of replacement of tasks performed by humans by the computerized method. Semi-automated instruments required some steps as dilution of blood samples often measure only a small number of variables. Fully automated instruments required only that an appropriate blood sample is presented to the instrument. They can measure 8 to 20 variables, including some new parameters which do not have any equivalent in mutual. There are the methods, advantages of the automation in the hematology. Speed with the efficient handling of a large number of samples. Accuracy and precision in quantitative blood tests, ability to perform multiple tests on a single platform, significant production of labor requirement, invaluable for accurate determination of red cell indices. Next is the disadvantages of the automation in hematology. There the flagging of the laboratory test result demands labor in intensive manual examination of a blood smear. Comment on the red cell's morphology cannot be generated. Abnormal red cell shapes. There are the shapes such as the fragmented cell cannot be recognized. Error increased or decreased result due to interfering factors. Expensive with high running cost. Next are the principle of the working of automation. There are electrical impedance, light scatter, fluorescence, light absorption and electrical conductivity are used. First is the counter principle, electrical impedance. A stream of cells in suspension passes through a small aperture across which an electrical current is applied. Each cell that passes alter the electrical impedance can thus be counted and sized. Next is the light scatter. Each cell flows in a single line through a flow cell. A laser device is focused on the flow cells. As the laser light beam strikes a cell, it is scattered in various directions. One detector captured the forward scatter light that is proportional to cell size and other captures the side scatter which is equal to the cell granularity and complexity. In today's class, I discuss about the automation in hematology, their advantages, their disadvantages, and the principle of working, that is the Coulter principle electrical impedance. Thank you.